Now, today in our this lab, BME lab, that is Basic Mechanical Engineering lab, we are going to study the main components of this AC. As you can see, this AC, this is the window AC. This is the. There are two main parts. This is the first part, and this is the second part. This part that you kept inside the room is called as indoor part, and this is the part that is kept outside the window is the outdoor part. Right now, in this, as you can see from the front of this AC, the main parts, we are just looking for the main parts first, and then we will talk about the functioning of the AC. Here, they are the fins. These fins are used for the increasing the contact area between the air and this. Next to this, here as you can see this empty part, there may be in the current AC, there are some fins over here, there are some wings over there. They can slide on the auto mode and manual mode. Here one control panel is there. That control panel gives you the control of increasing the temperature or decreasing the temperature. Here one another control will be there that is used to increase the fan speed and to reduce the fan speed. Now come on this middle part. Here this is the compressor. As this compressor is having the receiver also, so this is the rotary type compressor. There are two type of compressors. One is rotary, that is this one, and the another one is reciprocating. So when the compressor is having the receiver, this is the rotary compressor. This is the indication of this. Now this is the backside part, where again you can see the fins over here. Again the function of the fin is same. This is to increase the contact between the function of the fin is to increase the contact, surface contact. Now the main two parts that we call indoor unit and the outdoor unit. This is the evaporator. This is the indoor unit is the evaporator, and this rear part is the condenser. Now as you can see, between this outdoor and indoor unit, there is one motor over here. This is the motor. This motor is containing two shafts on the front and the rear side. There are the two shafts, this one and this one. On this shaft, one fan is connected, and on this other side, one blower is connected. You can see this blower from this side. This is the blower. This is the blower. As you can see, both the fan and the blower are rotating with the same motor. This motor is connected with the two shafts. Now, this unit is called as the strainer. The strainer function is to just work like a sieve, as you have seen in your kitchen. जैसे अपन चाय छानते हैं, चाय छानने के लिए छलनी यूज करते हैं. So this sieve is used as a strainer. This unit is called strainer. Now we are talking about the functioning of this compressor. This main function of the AC starts from the compressor. We fill refrigerant in this compressor. The refrigerant that is filled over here is generally on a temperature of 50 to 60 degrees and in the gaseous form. From this compressor, the refrigerator passes away from these tubes. From this tube, as the refrigerator passes, it goes to the strainer, and from the strainer, this refrigerant comes along through this pipe, and with the connection of this pipe, as you can see, this is connecting to the condenser. Here the gas refrigerator comes in the gaseous form over here. As you can see, there are tubes. These tubes are in this spiral form. These moves like this, and the function of this condenser is to condense the liquid, the gas into the liquid. Here the refrigerant is converted from the gaseous form to the liquid form. When this refrigerant passes away from this all tubes, then lastly from the lower side, as you can see over here, as this refrigerant leaves this condenser, then it converted, here it is converted in the liquid form. Now when this material, this refrigerant is converted in the liquid form, here from this passes from this tube. Here these tubes are known as the capillary tube. From this capillary tube, when it passes, then the pressure is raised over here and the temperature is decreased. When this tube, from this capillary tube, this liquid refrigerant comes in this indoor unit, that is the evaporator. Here when it comes in this evaporator, then the temperature of this refrigerant is around -5 degrees or -2 degrees or -7 degrees, it depends. Now when this liquid comes in this form over here, from here, now as you can see, the fin is over here, and in general there are grills over here in front of the fins. That grills is having two layers, one is inside outer layer, one is inner layer. Here that there will be the inner layer of the grill, then next to that inner layer there will be one filter over here, and then next to this filter one outer layer will be there. As you have seen in most of the window ACs, there are some plastic body over here. That plastic body is known as grill, that is covering outside layer and the inner layer. Between two layers one filter is there. And what actually happens here, as you can see this blower here, this blower that is operated. Now this blower, what this blower does, this blower sucks the air from the front side where the air is being sucked, and it is being filtered with the help of the filter, and then the air comes inside this, and the blower throws this air. Here as you can see, this blower, one second. Now if you see this blower from the top side, what this blower is doing, this blower is sucking the air from the outside and throwing this to this right side. Now when this air is thrown over here, this cool air comes in your room, that cools the room, right? And one more thing, this is the thermocol over here. This thermocol is all around this indoor unit. This thermocol acts as an insulator. This is the insulator that restricts the heat transfer from the outer unit to the indoor unit, right? So that's why this cool your room in this way. That's it.